This year's CBeebies Panto is Hansel and Gretel. So to celebrate, we've made some gingerbread and we're going to decorate it.
They smell yummy.
Yes, they do. We've already started with some houses and gingerbread men here. Now I've got some houses we're going to decorate using some icing sugar. And with this icing sugar, I'm going to make a snowy roof. There we go.
That's a good snowy roof. I'm making a rainbow roof with lots of different fruits. Look at this, Andy.
Ah, excellent.
Yum.
Very colourful. And to make my door, actually, I'm going to put some more icing sugar on and then stick some sweets to it to make a door shape and a very tasty door.
Ah, I think I'll do a blueberry door.
Oh, very healthy. There we go. Excellent. Now, if you'd like to make some gingerbread people or gingerbread houses, we'd love to see them. You can find more brilliant makes right here on the CBeebies YouTube channel.